This is Brian. This is the Vansky UV light here. This is what it looks like. And then you press it, it turns on like that. I'm going to use this to go ahead and find some things that need to be cleaned around the house. Sometimes if you're smelling something or you just feel something sticky and you want to know the extent of it, you can find it by using this. So this is in our laundry room, and look at this. Wow, that's a lot more than I was expecting there. So look at all these stains on the dryer here. And I know what this is. It's just from the detergent here. That kind of drips down at times, but it's a lot more than I thought. All right, next up we're in a bathroom here. And if you can look at this wall and look at this trim here, this is all dust here on the trim area. So we'll know we need to go ahead and clean that and take care of that. So this is the other bathroom here, and we're just shining this, and we have a lot more dust here that we need to clean up, especially along this line here. And you can actually also see it on the wall back behind the toilet. You can kind of see all this dust here that you wouldn't see otherwise.